ratio proportion chapter comes in every competitive exam. Okay, let's see. What is ratio? First, you should know what is ratio. Ratio means what? A comparison between two things. Okay, suppose Nisit has 5 rupees. Okay, and Isant has 10 rupees. Okay, understood? Simply, we can compare. Isant has more amount than Nisit. Okay, but ratio means as a fractional form. Okay, it may be written as fractional form. Suppose this one n, this one I, Isant. n by I, rupees 5 by 10, you will get half. That means we conclude that Nisit has half amount of Isant. Okay, if you compare Isant to Nisit, we will get 10 by 5, that is equal to 2 by 1, but 2 is to 1, that means Isant has 2 times of Nisit's amount. Okay, understood? So ratio means comparison of two things. Okay, suppose here Trishna has 30 rupees and Adityanshu has rupees 60. Okay, rupees 60. If you take the ratio of Trishna to Aditya, what? 3:6, that means half. Okay, but they have different amount, but the ratio of Isant and Nisit is half. Look at here, 5:10, and here is 30:60. Also you got ratio is half, here ratio is half. Okay, if we compare the two ratios and their values equivalent or equal, we call it proportion, which is denoted as 4 dots. Understood? Using only one shortcut trick to solve all the ratio and proportion problems. Look at, suppose question given Nisit is to Isant 3:5, and Isant is to Trishna 4:8. Okay. If you merge their ratios, then we get 9, n is to I is to t. So how do you find out the ratio Nisit is to Isant is to Trishna? Okay, let's see. Here Isant varies 5 and 4. So try to convert into as a same number. Okay, so 3 by 5 into 4 into 4, it will be 12 by 20, or 12 is to 20. Understood? If you multiply 5, 4 into 5, 8 into 5, it will be 20 by 40, which is 20 is to 40. Okay, so same, so 12 is to 20 is to 40. The Nisit is to Isant is to Trishna is 12 is to 20 is to 40. Also it may be written as a simplest form. 4, 3, 5 and 10. Okay, understood? Also we can solve in another ways. Nisit, Isant and Trishna. Nisit is to Isant 3 is to 5. Isant is to Trishna 4 is to 5. Okay, here is last number 5, so write down 5 here. Here is last digit 4, write down 4 here. Okay, look at the right side. If there is a blank space, look at the last digit. If look at the left side, if there is a blank place, then look at the last digit. Okay, so multiply it. 40, 20, 12. If you simplify it, you will get 3, 5, 10. 3 is to 5 is to 10. Understood? Using this formula, we can solve all the problems related to ratio and proportion. Okay, I have written 8 questions. Okay, so let's start it. Question given 6a equal to 4b, then 6a equal to 4b. Then a by b will be 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3. Understood? 4b equal to 9c, then B by C equal to 9 by 4. Understood? A is to B is to C. Here is B3, here is B9. So convert into same number. So what you multiplied with 3, you will get 9. So 3 into 3, 6 by 9. So this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. So A is to B is to C equal to 6 is to 9 is to 12. Understood? Understood? Okay. 7 A by B equal to 7 by 9 and B by C equal to 15 is to 7. 15 is to 7. Question given A is to C. A is to C. Always try to convert the B as a same. If you multiply 15 here and if you multiply 9 here, it will be 105 by 135 or 135 by 63. Okay. This one is A, this one B, this one C. So A is to B is to C. 105 is to 135 is to 63. Question given A is to C. 105 63. 9. 15 is to 9. 15 is to 9 is your answer. Okay. Also you can write in another ways. Look at here. A, B, I don't A, B and C. A is to B 7, 9. B is to C, write down 15, 7. Okay. Look at here. Here is 9. So you will write 9 here. Last number. Here is 15, you will write 15 here. Multiply it. 63, 135, 105. You got A, B, C. 105 is to 63. By 63 you will get 15 is to 9. Understood? Okay. Similarly, tell me 1 by x is to 1 by y is to 1 by z equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Find x is to y is to z. Look at it. 1 by x is to 1 by y is to 1 by z. 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay. So it will be written as x is to y is to z equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 5. Understood? Understood? So you got a fraction. So how will you get ratio? So take the LCM to 30. LCM how much? 30. Multiply 30. 1 by half into 30 is to 1 by 3 is to into 30. 1 by 5 into 30. You will get 10. Sorry. 15 is to 10 is to 6. Okay. 15 is to 10 is to 6. Understood? 15 is to 10 is to 6. Okay. P is to Q is to R equal 4 is to 5 is to 6. Then P by Q, Q by R and R by P. Okay. Look at it. P by Q, how much? 4 is to 5. Q by R, how much? 5 is to 6. And R by P, how much? 6 is to 4. Okay. Understood? So 4 by 5 is to 5 by 6 is to 6 by 4. Take the LCM of the all denominators. All denominators. So 5, 6, 4, 3, 2. How much? 60. So multiply 60 into 60 is to 5 by 6 into 60. 6 by 4 into 60. You will get 6. 24 is to 50 is to 90. Okay, so let's say is 24 is to 50 is to 90. Also you can convert into as a simplest form. It will be 12, it will be 25, it will be 45. Or 12 is to 25 is to 45. Understood? Okay, this another question. A is to B equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3, B by C, B is to C equal to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 3. Find out A plus B is to B plus C. Okay, so tell me A by B given 1 by 2 by 1 by 3, that means 3 by 2. Okay, into, look at here, half into 3 by 1, that is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, A by B is A by B equal to 3 by 2. Similarly, B by C equal to 1 by 5, 1 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 5. But A is to, tell me, A is to B is to C. Here is B2, here is B3. So convert into same. So if you multiply 3, 9 by 6, 2, 6 by 10. Okay. So A is to B is to C equal to 9 is to 6 is to 10. Okay. So A plus B is to B plus C. A plus B how much? 15 by B plus C how much? 60. So A plus B by B plus C equal to 15 by 60. This is your answer. Okay. If B minus A of 30%, B minus A of 30% means into 30 by 100 equal to B plus A into 18% into 18 by 100. Okay. Understood? Simply 100 cancel. Okay. So 30. Okay. Here divide by 3, you will get 10. Divide by 3, you will get 6. Okay. So 10B minus 10A equal to 6B plus 6A. Okay. So question given, A is to B, 10B minus 6B equal to 6A plus 10A. Understood? It will be 4B equal to 16A. So 4 by 16 equal to A by B, that is equal to 1 is to 4. A is to B equal to 1 is to 4. Understood? Understood? Then look at here, another question given. A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. B is to C equal to 5 is to 4. C is to D equal to 3 is to 7. Find A is to B is to C is to D. It's very simple. Already I have told you. Let A, B, C and D. A 2 is to 3. Write down 2, 3 here. B 5, 4. C, D 3, 7. Okay. So last digit is 3. Last number is 3. So fill C, D with 3. Here is 4, 4. Here last digit 5, 5. Here last digit 3. So 3, 3. Multiply all. It will be 12, 98, 12, 36, 45. This is 30. Question given, A is to B is to C is to D. Okay. This is your ratio. Okay. Understood? So 30 is to 45 is to 36 is to 98. It may be written as a simplest form. Okay. Here there is a question given. Look at here. 729 milliliter of a mixture contain milk and water in the ratio 7 is to 2. Look at here. 720 milliliter of milk plus water. Milk plus water. It is a mixture of milk and water which is 729 milliliter. Okay. In the ratio 7:2, then milk 7 parts and water 2 parts. So total 9 parts. So each part will be 81. Each part 81 milliliter. Okay. So in 729, okay, equal divided 9 parts and each part equal to 81 milliliter. Okay. How much water is added to get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 7:3? Look at here. Previous mixture 7:2, new mixture 7:3. Milk is constant, water varies, plus 1, that is equal to 81 milliliter. Okay, so 81 milliliter is added to 729, then we get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 7:3. Understood? So the answer will be 81 milliliter. Okay.